So before ServCraft, we had a big sheet that was literally our planning for the day. And then we would literally have to sit there and write down each of the guys' schedules, make sure that we were sending them to the correct areas, having everything coordinated like that.
It's all very manual process. We'll get a phone call, write everything on a piece of paper, all right, then start making notes, schedule the appointment, go there, do the site assessment, take your notes, go into the computer, capture it, make it look pretty, and then obviously schedule an appointment to go present the solution and then close it.
So obviously with ServCraft now we have the scheduling done on there, we have our maps sorted, the guys' schedules are hourly planned, so we have everything there that we can obviously see. It's a much more visible tool to be able to see where our scheduling is going to be, and you don't lose a piece of paper, so that also helps.
It was my first time dealing with ServCraft when I came into this company. I didn't know what ServCraft was and how to use it, but it took almost a day to do that, and I found it easy because we have like codes that we use in coding. Those are saved in through the process, so I don't need to repeat myself every time I need to use the code. The codes are there, and then we have got our pricings that we've set, and then we have our margins, so it makes things easier and quicker for us to do quotations on ServCraft.
So the nice thing is we've created a lot of automated prompts. So for instance, we have the different job types that we use. We use those a lot, and when our guys are done on site, they move it across to job complete. As second they do that, we get an email prompt which tells us that they're done on site. So we can phone the customer, get their feedback, make sure everything's fine before the guys even leave.
Record keeping, looking at what your previous client, if you get a quote, if you get a call now, because when you're in the office, hi, I'm so and so inclined, you guys did this for us 2 years back, can easily go through ServCraft, check the history on what was done, and then I'm able to say, okay, cool, I can see that this is what was done for you guys. Even if the salesperson that is the account holder on that day for that sort of client, I can easily go through that and check, okay, cool, this is what was done, and I'm able to assist the customer that's calling.
The ability to plan ahead by dragging and dropping, I mean, that was a big shift, because everyone knows you can plan something now. This morning, either a team doesn't pitch up, or someone calls in sick, or client calls you with emergency call out. The fact that we can adapt quite quickly, having an overview of all the teams and be able to just drag, drop and shift, that was a big change, a big dynamic for us.
I mean, you have your company running in one profile and one platform. You don't have to have countless number of paperworks, and you have the history, the invoicing and what you've done. It's easy for you to look at your projection for the month and what you've done, because also what we do on ServCraft, we will have like jobs that we've declined, that were declined, and lost, the ones that we approved, and we sort of like, we can check ourselves and where we're standing, especially in sales, to check for a month, where am I standing this month, how many jobs I've closed, or you can go to a date and say, okay, cool, from this month until this month, let me check how many jobs I've approved. ServCraft will give you all of that. So we have like one platform and one software that will do everything for you.